Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be teaching everyone how to carve a pumpkin. I feel like it's very festive for Halloween, so if you want to learn how to carve a pumpkin with a kitchen knife and a spoon, then you're at the right spot. What you'll need: kitchen knife, recommend a serrated one, big spoon to get the guts out. I bought these little pumpkin candles. Oh my gosh. And then a bowl to put the guts and stuff in. So roll up the sleeves. First things first, we're gonna cut the top off. Oh, it's a little hard. I got just a small pumpkin because I thought it would be easy, but it's proving to be a little hard. Disclaimer, be careful when using a really big sharp knife. So, here's my pumpkin. Now I'm gonna take my spoon and start scooping the guts out. Oh, okay. So I'll be back when this is scooped. Yep. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more tutorials like this. Now, once your pumpkin is gutted, and it should look all clean, I'm going to take a smaller kitchen knife and I'm going to start carving a face. Now, you can look up prints and stuff online for different designs, but I'm just going to wing it. And since my pumpkin is smaller, I'm just going to go with the flow. Here are my eyes. And we're gonna start working on the mouth. I'm just gonna do a smile mouth. It's gonna be a happy pumpkin. This is what it's looking like. Oh my God. So this is what my pumpkin looks like. Thanks guys for watching my video on how to carve a pumpkin. Hopefully yours looks better than mine does. Again, be careful using knives, they're sharp. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you want to see any more videos. All my socials are in the link below. I hope you learned how to carve a pumpkin using only kitchen utensils. All right, bye guys.